Everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing very exciting YSL unboxing again. I know how much you guys love YSL and I'm a big fan of YSL. This packaging is so pretty. I always collect all my YSL bags. They're so aesthetic, and this time I got a couple of very exciting products, lip products and cheek products, which are my all-time favorites. So I'm going to be sharing with you all those beautiful makeup stuff. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you this most gorgeous YSL newly released makeup. They have added some new makeup in their collection, which is so amazing. They are absolutely some of my favorite products. You're going to see it right now. Before we do that, I want to give a huge shout out to this gorgeous jewelry brand that I'm wearing today. This is from Amber Lollipop. How aesthetic this necklace is. I am just obsessed. This is completely my kind of pearl necklace, and I think this is just the perfect classic necklace which will suit everyone. This necklace is called their Moonlight Pearl Choker, and then these earrings, let me check what are they called. These earrings are called White Magnolia Pearl Earring. Do you see how elegant is this together? Like this set, just so beautiful. So this aesthetic jewelry brand is inspired by art, nature and feminine spirit, and I think it's completely something that every woman needs in their life. Thank you so much Amber Jewellery for sponsoring this part of this video, and I cannot tell you guys how impressed I am. So now quickly we will go and see a little bit of unboxing, how the packaging came and everything. It is so nicely packed and it's just a perfect gift to yourself or to anyone that you love. So let's see the unboxing, and then we will jump into the YSL Beauty testing. Pieces, you guys know that I love aesthetic and minimalistic design. Also classic pieces are my all-time favorite, and these earrings are good in a way that you can wear it like this, and also you can take out this silver part and just wear it the only pearl top, which is so good because there are some days obviously we want to go like very minimalistic, especially me. Like I would not wear this chunky part in some occasions, but also there are some events when I dress up really in a way that I need something bigger, and this silver and pearl together goes so good. There's a time when I used to think that pearl is all about for spring and summer, but now with time, and I don't know if it's a trend or whatever, I feel like fall is a very good season to, you know, style your pearls. So there was a time when in my fall palette there was only browns and mauves, but this time around I'm adding this kind of silver color also to my mood board, fall mood board, because I think it's really goes nice when the nature is really warm and you add some cool tone to it. It looks so good, especially for the outfit. I'll totally wear something like this in the fall season. Let me know what do you think, guys. And also I want to show you my new mani. These are like the new French latte chrome, and it's so clean. I love short nails. This is so practical to me, so just in love with my nails. And if you are in Toronto, you can totally check this nail salon. This is Kenzo. I will link it down below. So they are just absolutely fantastic. I love how this boxes comes, like you have like kind of like a drawer, and these are actually very nice anti-oxidation bag. Such a good way to preserve your jewelries from damage. It's very important. And they also have the dust bag I showed you. You have many options to preserve your precious pieces. They're so beautiful. I actually love these little gaps in between, because in this way it makes it minimalistic and very chic and stylish. I'm in so much love with it, and I feel like you can wear it casually because it's so simple and elegant. You can also just dress it up. You have many different options with these pieces. Guys, now let's move on to the makeup part. So now we'll see what we have here. So the exciting thing is that YSL added a new liquid blush, and the color they sent me is nude 44, number 44. So let's see how it looks. There are a couple of different products. I'll show you everything, but this is a completely new product, and how gorgeous it looks. Totally impressed by the packaging. YSL never disappoints. And now we are going to try this out. Oh, I'm so excited about this liquid YSL brush. You guys know how much I love their powder blush, but this one, let's try it out. Quick tip, I'll be using my Mario brush, and this is their F1 brush. It's so good. It is such a great brush. So let's do this. Oh, I don't know if this color is going to suit me, but let's do this. Okay, so I'll be quickly blending. The good thing about this brush is brush number F1 by Makeup by Mario is that it doesn't take away your product. Instead, it just blends beautifully without moving any of your makeup, which is so good. Look at that. Such a subtle color. I just love this. Let's do the other side. Look at this applicator. It is such a beautiful applicator, slanted in one side, so just easy to apply. This packaging, oof, so good. Well, this blush is blending so beautifully. Oh, look at that. And looking at the packaging, I thought it was so light, but actually it is just a perfect shade for me, and it is such a light shade, like anybody can actually use it. For some people it will be lighter or darker, but it is for everyone. Wow, look at that. Such a natural looking blush. Beautiful. Should I add a little more? I'm just a blush girl. I love doing a little bit too much with my blushes. I always love that. I think the amount I did was good enough, but I'm just doing a little more. Look, it is buildable. The more you add product, it is buildable. Perfect. What do you think, guys? So this is again Make Me Blush Liquid by YSL, and it is number 44. Thank you YSL for sponsoring this part of this video, because I'm very excited. Every time I get a YSL package, it makes my day, and I cannot stop using them. So they have also this card. My apology, I did not show you at the beginning. So this is a card came with it, and it said 44 nude lavalier. I don't know how to pronounce lavalier, probably, I don't know. Discover our iconic shade nude lavalier, Dua Lipa's secret for perfect lips and cheeks. So this is a Dua Lipa collaboration. The perfect pink offered in your favorite YSL Love Shine Make Me Blush products. Yes, so these are everything they sent me here are number 44. Next up we have another YSL Make Me Blush number 44. So this is the powder version of the blush. Oh, that's my favorite. I received this in my previous package, and this is my absolute favorite. This blush actually makes a huge difference, you guys. If you don't buy any blush ever, still you need this in your life, because this is such a blush that makes any skin look glowy and naturally flushing. Every time I wear this blush, like, people ask me, like, your makeup has changed so much in a good way. Some people say you look much more younger. Some people compliments as how you blend your makeup so well, and some people say you're just beautiful. So anyways, this blush is actually the secret, And look, I love the packaging, how it is embossed in the middle, the logo. I love it. And let's do, I just, it's so hard to touch this beautiful, you know, blush, but we have to swatch, right? So I'll put it on the top. What I do with this, actually I usually go just below my eyes and just drag it in an angle. It makes it look really nice and naturally flushy. So obviously the liquid was more matte kind of shade, and then now this has a tiny little shimmers which will go on the top, okay? And see, immediately it is making a huge change. And there you go, how pretty. If you really want to see how it swatches, I can do it for you. Let's do it here. You see the color? It is very subtle. It's nothing that can go wrong ever. It is so subtle, just gives a beautiful shiny, like inner glow kind of glow. It's so beautiful. That's that. So now we have a pair of blushes, a liquid and a powder blush. I'm having so much trouble today saying blush. So these two are the best pair of blush ever. I'm so happy. I am going to be wearing this all the time. Now I have this duo. Cannot tell you how happy I am. What do you think, guys? Is it pretty? Guys, tell me what you think. How pretty is this? Absolutely in love. Next we have a couple of lip products here. I am forever obsessed with this YSL lip product packaging. See how gorgeous these are. Now we have this lip product here, okay? So this is their YSL Love Shine lipstick, number 44 obviously, and this is how it looks. Look at the color. Such a beautiful mauve kind of shade, and let's apply and see how it is. First do a little swatch here. Ooh, look at it. It has a nice shine to it. Okay, we'll do that. Obviously this color is too light for me. The beautiful mauve it seems here is not exactly how it looks on my lips. For my lips it is obviously a little lighter. What I always do is apply a lip liner. Let's do that. So let's line my lips and see. This is a very simple lip liner. This is Spice from MAC and pretty much makes difference in any lip product. How does it look now? Now it looks a lot more wearable, and I really like how it turned out at this point. But still not a big fan, but it's so comfortable. If you find the right shade, it will be so good for you. And I feel like it is more like for lighter skin tone. It's just a perfect shade, number 44. Just remember, this shade is a little too light for brown skin tone. It is comfortable. You can make it work with your lip liner, but probably I'm not going to make a great use out of it. Not really my shade. After this glazy shade, we're going to try out this one, okay? This is a brand new color I never tried, and this looks more like a mattify version. And let's see. Oh no, this is a gloss too. Oh no, I'm so sad. Why did I even think it's a matte? Oh, it's a Love Shine Candy Glaze. Okay. Let's see. So what is the difference? Both are number 44. This is the candy and this is the lipstick. Okay, so this is lipstick and this is the candy version. After getting the package all this time, I was dreaming about a matte lipstick. Oh, YSL, please bring something matte in this. Exactly same thing but matte would be great. See, there's a little shade difference where there's a little more shade difference, a tiny bit. So I see like this one is more like a mauve. I don't really see any difference in these two glosses, like the candy glaze and the other one. Yeah, but I feel like this one, which is a candy glaze, has more like a glazing effect. Like it has more cool toned rather than the other one. Kind of disappointed because of my own thoughts process. I was all the time thinking I got a matte product. I did not do much research, but there's nothing matte. This doesn't look too bad. Like you can wear it, but for me, I personally don't go for this kind of lips, so not too happy. But quality wise, it's just so hydrating. For the winter season, you definitely love something this hydrating, but you have to pick the exact shade that matches you. Lining with a dark proper liner helps a lot. Last but not the least, we have this. This is obviously I love. This is their Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil. A big fan of it. I have already used this one in my last peer package. I got a couple of shades. I have the full video if you haven't watched, and obviously this is one of the favorite. This applicator is so perfect to apply. It's so comfortable to apply. The product itself is so comfortable. This is lip oil and this is my absolutely favorite. The other shades, I pretty much loved all the shades, and this is obviously 44 number is one of the most favorite shade. So this lip oil is just so good. Absolutely love this oil. What do you think? Anyways guys, hope you really enjoyed today's video and got an idea about how number 44 looks on brown skin, the lip and skincare. I think it's so beautiful. I still think that number 44 lip products are also good for any skin tone, but because I'm not a big fan of light color glossy lips, that's why I was kind of a little bit disappointed. But I still now, after applying the lip oil on the top of everything, I feel like everything looks so beautiful, so chic. I love blushes. I cannot recommend enough. You guys must check this out. This is my final look with all Dua Lipa collaboration YSL products. Hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you so much YSL for this amazing gifts, and it helped me to try and share with you all these amazing products. Thank you very much for watching today. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video today, and stay tuned for the next video. Take care. Bye.